Next month, I'll be presenting twice at the International Association for the Study of Dreams. The first I'm really excited about. I've actually participated in this event more than once, and this time it's called Many Ways to Explore a Dream. Some of you have attended this event. It's really interesting because a bunch of us work one dream and when you see our approach, what's really beautiful is you see what's alive in the room, and also the audience can ask questions. And there's a little surprise too, how the audience can be involved. I won't share that quite yet, but show up, and we look forward to including you in this many ways to explore a dream. And then the second is I will be hosting my workshop for Dream Psychotherapy with Psyche and Eros. This is for people that are maybe not experiencing much pleasure in their dreams and they want to have more of those connections so they can sleep deeper and feel more restored. And who knows, maybe have some pleasurable experiences that have you waking up with a smile. I'll see you there.